What if I told you math isn't hard? It's just bananas. No, seriously, turns out we've been overcomplicating everything. Literally. Once you see math this way, you can't unsee it. Monkey want banana. Monkey count banana. That's math. Monkey sit in school. Oh, not you guys. Stare at whiteboard. Teacher talk about X, but monkey want banana, not X. Monkey confused, but not anymore. Math is easier now, much easier. You peel it layer by layer. Yes, you heard right. What is addition? There are two jungles, jungle of monkeys and hills of apes. In the monkey jungle, there are lots of monkeys, but not a lot of bananas. In the ape hills, there are bananas everywhere, but not many hands to eat them. One day, a monkey finds one banana. He's excited. He dances. Then an ape walks over and says, "Here, take one more banana." Monkey looked at his hands. Now the monkey has two bananas. He counts 1, 2. His brain goes boom. He just did something smart. He added, that's called addition. One banana plus one banana is two bananas. Simple and tasty. Monkey approved. When you have something and you get a bit more, you add them up to see how much you really have. That's how monkeys do math. Now, Monkeyland and Apesland are not just banana lovers. They are also banana counters. Meanwhile, in the human world, some people still count on their fingers. Others need calculators to split the bill. But in the jungle, monkeys just look, think, and add. So next time someone says, math is hard, remember a monkey figured it out with bananas. What's your excuse? In Monkeyland, things were good, bananas were counted, Apesland was friendly, peace was everywhere. But not all monkeys were peaceful. Some got greedy. They wanted more bananas, more fame, more fun. So they started sneaking into Apesland at night, stealing bananas, quiet like shadows. And when the apes found out, chaos erupted. Apes were angry. Monkeys were embarrassed. The jungle was no longer calm. So Monkeyland made a hard decision. They gathered all their monkeys, and they pointed at the ones causing trouble. There were 10 monkeys in Monkeyland. They removed the 5 thieves, sent them away, banished, gone. Now Monkeyland had only 5 monkeys left. That's subtraction. Taking something away from a group. The jungle became quieter, no more banana theft, no more shouting, but also a little lonelier. Subtraction isn't always bad though. Sometimes you subtract to bring peace, to bring space, to protect what really matters. Because sometimes less is more. Then one clever monkey in Monkeyland wondered, what if I had lots of bananas? Like a whole tree of bananas? What if we stop picking bananas one by one from Apesland and start growing more banana trees here at home? Some called it greedy, others called it genius. So the monkeys began to plant, not 1, not 2. They planted 5 banana trees. Each tree grew 4 bananas. 5 + 4 equals 20 bananas. That's multiplication. It's like addition, but faster and smarter. Instead of saying +4 + 4 + 4 + 4, we can say 5 times 4. And just when you thought Monkeyland couldn't get more exciting, the banished monkeys returned. They saw the banana trees, they saw the success, and they asked to help. Monkeyland gave them a second chance. Everyone deserves a second chance. Even monkeys who used to steal bananas at midnight in sunglasses. They planted 3 trees each with 6 bananas. 3 by 6 or 18 bananas. 6 times 3. Now the jungle had more bananas than ever before. It was a banana boom. Clever Monkey smiled. He was a banana tycoon now. Bananas in baskets, bananas in banks, bananas being traded and saved. Now the Monkeyland had entered a golden age of multiplication. With great bananas comes great responsibility. Because multiplication isn't just about getting more, it's about what you do with more. So next time you see a problem growing fast or a success spreading wide, at last the day came when it was time to pay, not in money, but in bananas. A great storm hit Apesland, and when it was over, it was actually over. Apesland had nothing left. No trees, no bananas, just sad apes staring at empty branches. So they did something brave. They asked for help, walked into Monkeyland and said, "We need bananas, please." Now Monkeyland had become rich. 24 banana trees stood tall and full. The monkeys gathered around. They remembered the old days, the trades, the theft, the chaos, and the peace that followed. This time they didn't argue. They didn't fight. They simply said, "Let's divide what we have and give them half." So they took the 24 banana trees and split them into 2 equal groups. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Apesland got 12 trees. Monkeyland kept 12 trees. No one lost. Everyone gained. That's division. It means taking something whole a number, a group, or even a jungle of trees, and breaking it into equal parts. Division is when you split things. Monkey learned that math helped prevent banana wars. Not too much, not too little, just fair. Because sometimes, math isn't just numbers, it's about doing what's right. Sharing isn't weakness, it's wisdom. So, what if the banana isn't whole? What if monkey just want a bite? A snack, not a feast? One day, apes found a strange banana under the trees. Banana was already peeled in half. Half a banana? Yes, this is a fraction. It tells you how much of something you have when it's not whole. Not full bananas, just pieces. One whole banana equals 2 halves. 1 half banana means one of those halves. Half a banana, that's half. 1 bite out of 3, that's a third. Almost the whole banana, but not quite. Maybe 5/6. If apes had 3 bananas and cut each in half, now apes had 6 halves. That's 6 pieces of 1 half. Fractions help you when bananas are not whole, or when monkey only wants small snack. What are percentages? Monkeyland and Apesland. Both grow bananas now. Lots of trees, lots of bananas. Life is sweet. But one day, they decided to check. How many bananas have we used? How many have we saved? So they counted. Together, they had 100 bananas. Monkeyland ate 30. Apesland stored 70. So how much did Monkeyland eat? 30 out of 100. That's 30% written as 30%. How much did Apesland save? 70 out of 100. That's 70%, 70%. Percent means per hundred. It tells you how much out of 100. Now, when they trade bananas or share or plant more, they use percentages to keep everything fair. If they eat 50 bananas, that's 50% gone. If they save 20 bananas, that's 20% saved. If they lose 10 in a storm, that's 10% loss. Percentages help you understand the part of the whole out of 100. Monkey tested. Ape approved. Then, business was booming in Monkeyland and Apesland. But soon a question stirred up the jungle. Who is winning the banana business? Chaos erupted in the jungle. Not because of storms, not because of stolen bananas, but because of one dangerous question. Who's better, Monkeyland or Apesland? The banana business was booming in both lands. Monkeys were making filthy money. Tension rose. Banana boards were slammed. So they called in the wise ape to settle it. He pulled out the numbers. What they found out was Monkeyland sold 150 banana, Apesland sold 120 banana. The sign was opens toward the bigger number of Monkeyland like it wants to eat it. 150 is greater than 120. 150 greater than 120. And then it was clear Monkeyland did more business than Apesland. They were bigger. So when one number is bigger, we use the sign greater than. And when one number is smaller, we use the sign smaller than. Suddenly, the monkeys and apes understood. This wasn't about fighting, it was about measuring. It was about knowing who had more and who had less. So now instead of arguing, they compared everything. This is called comparison. What if monkey didn't want to eat the whole banana, just only a piece? Didn't want halves or quarters, just wanted smaller pieces, just a tiny bite. They can cut it into 10 equal pieces and gave 3 pieces to the monkey. There it is. Monkey just ate 0.3 of the banana. 0.3? Yes, that is called a decimal. A decimal shows part of a whole using dots instead of fractions. It's another way to say you didn't eat the whole thing, just a piece decimal of it, using a dot to separate the whole part from the small part. Similarly, 0.5 means half a banana, 5 out of 10 pieces, and 0.1 means just one tiny bite, and it's 1 out of 10. 2.3, equal to 2 whole bananas and 3 pieces. These banana tricks feel like cheating. Try them once, and you will never go back to regular math again. Multiplying with 11 banana shortcut. Let's say you have 42 bananas, and you want to multiply them by 11. Instead of doing long multiplication, try this simple trick. Take the first digit, which is 4, then take the last digit, which is 2. Now add them together. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Place that number in the middle of 4 and 2. You get 4, 6, 2. which makes 462 bananas. Boom! 42 times 11 equal 462 bananas. This trick works best with two-digit numbers where the result of the middle number is less than 10. Multiplying bananas by 5 the fast way. If you have 8 bananas and want to multiply by 5, since 8 is an even number, divide it by 2. 8 divided, 2 equal 4. Now add a 0 at the end, 4 becomes 40. So, 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 8 times 5 equal 40 bananas. Now try an odd number, like 7 bananas. First subtract 1 to make it even. 7 minus 1 equal to the 6. 7 minus 1 equal 6. Do the trick 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 6 divided, 2 equal 3, then add a 0. It's 30. 30. Now add 5 more bananas. 30 plus 5 equal 35. 7 times 5 equal 35 bananas. This trick helps you multiply any number by 5 easily. Squaring numbers that end in 5 in super fast way. If you have a 25 bananas and want to find out what 25 times 25 is, this is the shortcut. Take the first digit, 2, then multiply it by the next number, which is 3. 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then add 25 to the end. There you get the answer, so quick, easy. 625 bananas, so 25 times 25 equal 625 bananas. It works with any number that ends in 5, 15, 25, 35, 65, 95, etc. There you have it. Math isn't hard, you just need bananas. Now go try these monkey-approved hacks and drop your answers in the comments. Which trick blew your mind? Tell us. Share it. Thanks for watching.